In a small, joyful family, there lived a father, a mother, a baby, a brother named Sam, and a sister named Lily. They lived near a lovely jungle, filled with tall trees and colourful flowers. One sunny afternoon, the family decided to go for a walk in the jungle. Along the way, they spotted a curious cat and a gentle rabbit playing together. "Look, Dad, the rabbit is so cute," Lily giggled as Sam gently petted the cat. Their father smiled. "Animals teach us about love and kindness. We should always care for them and our environment." As they walked deeper into the jungle, their mother pointed to the birds flying above. "See how the birds work together to build their nests? That's like us, working as a family." Sam and Lily asked many questions, learning how every animal has a role, just like in their family. They learned about teamwork, respect, and helping each other. By the end of the day, Sam said, "I learned that just like animals, we need to stick together as a family." Their parents smiled and added, "Yes, and if we care for each other, share love, and work together, we can create a strong, happy family." Learning message. Every family can be strong by working together, being kind, and teaching each other. Just like the animals in nature, families grow best when everyone plays their part, supports each other, and shares love.